How do I create a campaign? How do I send out emails to my email subscribers? How do I send them emails for a long period of time? How do they keep receiving my emails for 1 week, for 1 month, for 1 year? Today we shall be looking at how to create an email campaign, an automated email campaign, how you can send out emails to your subscribers on a daily basis for 1 week, for 1 month, for 1 year, as you choose. So the purpose of this video today is to create a campaign. How do we create a campaign? Hello, welcome back. My name is King Show and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, here we talk about how to make money online, how to create an online business, how to do affiliate marketing, which tools to use, and how to use these tools. So I create videos on how to use tools for any new entrepreneur coming into the world of online business. I show you how to use these tools. I show you tricks and tips on how to make money online. I show you how to create campaigns, how to do affiliate marketing. Okay, so if you're new, click on the subscription button below, click on the like button, click on the notification bell. So let's go into my computer right now. Welcome back. Now we are on my computer and we shall be creating a campaign with Aweber. Okay, Aweber autoresponder. Aweber is a tool which I use to create email campaigns, to send out emails to my subscribers automatically without me sitting down and sending emails to each and every email subscriber. Okay, I use Aweber to send out automatically messages to my subscribers, and this is how they get my emails every day. Okay, so you want to create an account with Aweber. I've left a link below in the description section. You can click on the link and you create for yourself an account with Aweber. They will give you a 14 days no, a 30 days trial period for you to get accustomed, get used to Aweber, and you start creating for yourself email campaigns. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to create these campaigns. Okay, so click on the link in the description section and you create for yourself a free account and you start using the 30 days subscription. So once you've created your account, okay, you log into your account. I'm going to log into my account. I already have an account with them. You log in. Okay, I'm just going to show you this. So now we are on my dashboard with Aweber. Okay, you want to create a campaign. This is how your dashboard looks like. Okay, so the first thing when you want to create a campaign is you come to manage this. Okay, click on manage this. Since you're new, you don't have any list, you don't have any campaign yet. Okay, these are some campaigns I've been doing which are still active. Okay, I have created campaigns. But since you're new, you just come here, you create on manage list, you come on create a list, click on create a list. You click on create a list. You want to first of all create a list for yourself. Now this is set up your list. Okay, so your name or your company name, your website, your address when you were creating your account, your names. This is how your sender names look like, your email address. Okay, select this one and then you go to next step. Okay, we are creating this is the first step. Okay, name of your list, you can say my list, my email list, or let's just say my campaign, my first campaign. Okay, that's it. Describe your list. My first campaign. First campaign list. Okay, you go to next step. Language English. Subject line. This is approve your confirmation message. Okay, this is when your subscribers they receive your message, they want to subscribe to your list. Okay, you have to set this up. It goes our subject line, confirm your subscription, your request information. We did you approve and create. Okay, so now you want to create a sign up form. Okay, you come to sign up forms. Okay, you click on sign up forms. You want to create a sign up form, click on create a sign up form. Add fields, just leave this one. Let's just use this default form. Okay, this is a default form, name, email, submit. You save your form and you go to step 2. Okay, now basic settings, form name. Okay, just say my first campaign, thank you page. Okay, basic version, already subscribed, basic version, save your form. You go to step 3. Okay, here you don't have to do anything. Okay, you've already created a form, you've created your subscription form. Now you go to list options, you go to list settings. Okay, now the name of your list is my first campaign. You can see here my first campaign, list name my first campaign, list description my first campaign list. Okay, so that's the basic settings. This is your address, your email address. Okay, so you come here, you save settings, you come to personalize your list. Okay, click on personalize your list, your company name, your name or your company name, your website, put your logo if you want, email signature, how you want your email signature to look. You come down, connect your Twitter, Facebook, that's not important. If you like, you can do that. You come here, you save. Okay, now you go to confirmation message, language English, subject line, confirm your request for information. This is how it looks like. They click and they confirm their subscription. Confirmation message. Okay, now if you have a big list, if you have a huge base, subscriber base, but since you're just beginning, I believe you have you have very few subscribers, you just want to turn this on. Okay, they'll say, are you sure you want to turn off confirm obtain for sign up forms? Yes, turn it off, because you want to capture more subscribers, because not everybody goes back and click on confirm my subscription. Not everybody. Okay, so that's just a proven fact. Some people go back and they click on confirm my subscription, some people don't. Okay, but since you're just beginning, you want to capture more subscribers, so you turn this off. Okay, so you save, click here and you save. Okay, so now since you've already set up your sign up form, you set up your list settings, now you actually need to go and create the campaign. Okay, so some people they use follow-up surveys, some people they use campaigns, but me, I use campaigns. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to create a first campaign, how to send out campaign messages. Okay, so if making any sense, leave a comment below or leave what you think, or leave your thoughts. If you're liking this, if there's any value, click on the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and also click on the notification bell. So now let's click on campaigns. Okay, now you want to create a campaign, you can click here or you can click here. Okay, so you click on create a campaign. Okay, you want to create a blank campaign. Okay, or you want to import a campaign. Okay, you want to create a welcome series, lead magnet. Okay, choose anyone, but let's just start with create a blank campaign. Okay, give your campaign a name, my first campaign. Okay, create. Okay, now welcome to the campaign editor. Okay, so now unsubscribe. Once someone subscribes to your list, your first message goes to them. Okay, so let's just they say static campaign when a tag is applied to your subscribers. Okay, no, we are just creating a campaign for people who subscribe to our list. Okay, so let's click on subscribe. Once they subscribe to our list, our first message will go to them. Okay, they say start campaign unsubscribe. Okay, trigger campaign for new subscribers. So here you have a drag and drop. You click on it, you drag and you drop your first message. Okay, so when they subscribe to your list, this will trigger this first message to go to them. Okay, so you click on the message, you come to create a message. Okay, you click on drag and drop, email builder, plain text, anyone you want. Okay, so let's just use drag and drop because it's easy. So now this is how it looks like. This is the interface. Okay, you want to put in your subject line. Okay, let's just say my first campaign. Okay, so if you like, put an emoji there. If you don't like, you just select any emoji you want to put there. Okay, so boom, that's our emoji. Come here, you want to edit your text. Hello. Hello. Thanks for subscribing. Boom. Okay, you can edit it, put in the message, put in the link, which information you want to give them. Okay, let us say here is your information requested. Okay, requested. Okay, so now you want to put your signature. Okay, maybe you want to put your image if you have one. You click on image, you drag and you drop. Okay, where do you want the image to be? Maybe on the left side, you click here. Okay, you see the image has come to the left. You want the image to be at the center. You want the image to be at the right side. Okay, so let's just leave it at the left side. Okay, upload image. Let's go to my computer and upload an image. I just want to upload the very first image of myself. That's uploaded my image. Okay, oh, it's very big, original. You click on thumbnail, it's going to come very small. You see, boom. Okay, that's why I like Aweber. Okay, so it's very practical, it's easy, any beginner can use this. Okay, to create first campaign, to send out messages. You come on the, let's say you want to put in, let's say my name. Okay, very fast. That's the name. Maybe if you have your website, you can put your website HTTPS .com. That's my website. Select all, come, increase the font size. Click, increase the font size. Let's say 18. Okay, that's it, increased. Select, you copy this, right click, copy. You come here, insert link. You drop in your link. Okay, it's a clickable link now. Okay, you can click on this link. Now we want to preview, or maybe if you have a logo, then say if you have a logo image, you drag and drop. Okay, okay, drag and you drop. You have a logo, upload your logo. Okay, if you have a logo, you can upload your logo. I'm going to put on your logo. That's it, simple. Okay, and you can now preview. So this is how it's going to look like when it goes out to your subscribers. Okay, see, this is how it's going to look like. Your logo, your message. Okay, that's it. You want to test, you send an email to yourself. Okay, to your email, you see how it comes to your inbox or not. Okay, go back to edit, and maybe if there's an information you want them to get, maybe you want to put the information in a link form, you copy, maybe you highlight this. Okay, you put in the link here. Here's some information requested. You put in the link where you want them to go. Maybe you wanted to send them to your website. Okay, you see now it's clickable. Okay, if you view, okay, now you see continue, it's clickable. Okay, if I click, you see it's going to open here my website. Okay, so that's just how you do it. Okay, so now you go back to editor, you come down here, you save and exit. Save and exit. Okay, so that's our first message in our campaign. Okay, now how do you want the messages to be going out? How do you want the messages to be going out? After every 1 hour, after every 2 hours, after 1 day, after 2 days. Okay, you click here, wait, you drag and you drop. They say wait 1 day before performing next action. Maybe you want after 2 hours. Okay, you come here, you want after 2 hours, click 2 hours, after 2 hours. Okay, if you want after 1 day, you've said 1 day, after 1 day. Okay, 1 day before performing next action. Okay, 1 day after. You can choose how you want your campaign to be going out, days, weeks, months. Okay, so that's it. So now you click here, send message. Okay, first message goes out once you subscribe. Second message 1 day after. Okay, don't forget that this is it, 1 day after. Okay, wait 1 day. Okay, so 1 day after, click create message, drag and drop, just perform the same function again, the same the same routine like we did before. Okay, edit your message, come here, put in your subject line. Okay, you edit the same function, drop image, logo, everything. I'm just showing you this very fast. Okay, it's not, it depends on the information you want to be sending to them every day. Okay, so never mind what I'm just typing here. Okay, it's just for tutorial purposes. Let's just say day 2, day number 2. Okay, the subject line day number 2, your image, your logo, you upload, the same process. You get what I'm saying? So leave a comment below. Now you save. Okay, now click again, message, click wait, drop the message day 3 after 1 day. 1 day, see 1 day, maybe you want this the first message, want to subscribe, second message after 1 day, maybe after 2 days. That's how you create a campaign. After 3 days, after anyone you choose. Okay, so you come edit message and so on and so forth. So you just repeat this process over and over and over. Okay, so once you've created your campaign, maybe for 1 month, maybe for 1 year, okay, like 12 months, after how many months? Okay, so now you save your campaign. Save your campaign, almost done. Okay, so they say you are missing some information in your campaign. Before you can activate your campaign, you need to, okay, let's go back. What's happening? My first campaign. Okay, this message, I understand. This message, I did not do anything with this message. Okay, let's just remove this message. Let's just remove these messages. But I think it's well understood. Okay, we just remove these messages. Okay, so you know how you create these campaigns. Now it's now draft form. Okay, you activate your campaign. You need always to activate your campaign. Activate your campaign. Now your campaign is active. Send to 0 subscribers, 0 open. Okay, so this is how your messages will be going automatically. Once they subscribe, boom, the first message. Okay, it goes out to them. With 1 day, 1 hour, 1 month. Okay, boom, the second message goes. That's how your campaign goes. You can create this campaign for like 1 year. Okay, that's why sometimes you see you keep receiving messages from people. You don't understand how these people they keep sending messages. They've already created the campaign. That's how it goes out. That's how it goes out. Okay, so you can do same. Okay, so that's just basically it. Your campaign is active, everything is set, you're ready to go. So that's just it about this video today. I just wanted to show you very fast how you can create a campaign, how you can automate your messages. And if you found any value with this, click on the like button. If you like this, you can subscribe to my channel. If you've not yet subscribed, you can click on the notification bell, and that's how we can keep in touch. Okay, I'll be putting on videos regularly, and you can get notified when I send out my videos. Okay, so I've left the link below. You want to check on the link, click on the link, and you can create for yourself a free account with Aweber. Okay, thank you very much, and that's it. Bye bye.